The world is moving faster and faster. As a leader, your customers, employees, and shareholders look to you to drive growth, create value, and chart the path forward. But in today's rapidly changing world, the playing field shifts almost daily. Even the most innovative companies need to adapt and pivot to maintain their edge, and the demands to succeed are clear. The EY Nottingham Spurk Innovation Hub can help you meet these challenges. The hub is centered on a dedicated space in Cleveland, Ohio, offering in-person and virtual experiences. It combines the global power of EY and leading innovation firm Nottingham Spurk with resources from our extensive ecosystem of technology and business partners. At its core, the hub seeks to centralize the best of this collective group and together help you address your toughest challenges head-on. The hub's customer-centric design solutions help us hyper-focus on a problem and solve it at speed in a real-world production environment. Driven by EY Wavespace methodologies, we evaluate your strategic agenda across 5 fundamental pillars of successful enterprises. Together, we'll work through business-led modules that use storytelling and the latest technology to bring solutions to life through hands-on, rapid prototyping. Whether you're looking to identify your next billion-dollar business or product, or develop your digital strategy and roadmap, the hub is here to help. Ultimately, the goal of this immersive journey is to identify opportunities for growth and help you deploy them in the real world. There's no better or faster way to turn great ideas into real business outcomes. Together, we're ready to help you reimagine the way you do business, carve a new path to market leadership, and build a better working world. Tackle your biggest challenges and ignite your business growth with the EY Nottingham Spurk Innovation Hub.